Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let us know what do you think of today's topic. Today we are talking about something that I saw on Facebook and I was like, what? Kahle kahle kwenzakalani la South Africa, Like, why are we being scammed ngazo zonke nje indlela? We are even scammed, even in churches, guys. Even in church, you are not safe. We are not safe at all. Nobody's safe. Utubalekele esontweni, they still wanna scam you. So I'm scrolling on Facebook and then I see this video.
I want it yonke. You hear what I'm saying? Everything that you have, give it to me. Give it to me. The 500 yako, but the rest give it to me. That's small. I want more. Everything that you have, give it to me.
And then I'm like, hey bro, this pastor is telling people ukuthi they must give him all the money. I was laughing. If I was there, Mina, I saw the son, saw the unless he is using some voodoo nyana to force us to take out the money. But nje, like in keeping ngithi bamba, they're even calling him Tata. Ngithi bamba Tata. I would never. I would never do that. It goes to show ukuthi nje, hi guys, we are not safe. You run away from there, you are scammed there. You run away from there, you are scammed there. Siskemiwe emjolweni, people are being scammed in marriages, people are being scammed in relationships nje, you wishy, And like, yazi guys, ngisho kuyashiwo phela eBhayibhelini, I'm not sure which verse yet, don't come for me. But there's a verse I know that says that you must contribute something that is within your what? Your means. Okusemandleni wakho nithi is within your what? Leyo. How? Not being forced ukuthi ikhiphe yonke. Cabanga nje ubuke urhola isasa shem. Sengibuke urhola i-500 yami yesasa yomntwana. Ngithi hayi ngizonikela nge-10 rand namhlanje kuthiwa ikhiphe yonke. Ikhiphe yonke. And there's a high possibility ukuthi these people are using something yokuthi when they tell you to give them all your money nje, you just give them all the money without even thinking. For sure uzisola sowusendlini ukuthi yo. Bengenzani? Bengenzani Nkosi yami? And by that time hambile, there's no second chance. Guys, no. We are not safe in South Africa. Like, churches are now becoming businesses. We are all broke, guys. Like, you can't be scamming us while nothing. Wait, we are broke and you guys are still scamming us. Hi sana kubi good rough guys. Be safe out there. I just saw this video and I was like, yo. What is happening? Yo, how guys? Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Have you guys been to churches like this? Because Mina, I have been. But guess Anake, they didn't because me, I don't play like that. I don't want to mention the name of the church. Or maybe I should do a story time. I should do a story time of how they held us hostage because we didn't want to. I will do a story time, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section. Again, have you guys been to churches like this where they just force you to take out the money? I've been to 2 churches, 2 sana, and wow, I'm just nje, nje ngiseva ukuthi I'm broke vele makuthiwa khipha yonke imali ayikho baba mfundisi ngize ngiphethe leyo 10 rand. That's what's saving me, because if that was not the point, guys, I've heard stories that there are people that are buying cars for abomfundisi sontweni. People that are buying them houses. Imagine getting a free house, getting a free car while you are not working. Andisabaweli sana. Yo, hi guys, please tell me in the comment section. I'm interested to know kahle, is this the new normal vele? Are we being forced now to take out money from our own pockets and just thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I will see you on my next one.